Hi friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and farm the Liqfinity airdrop. Now Liqfinity is a AI agent which is powered by Quant, and it's basically a lending and borrowing protocol with 100% loan to value and no liquidation risk. Now farming this airdrop is pretty simple and I will be showing you all the steps involved. And if we go to the Twitter post, as you can see that they mentioned that the testnet version 2 is now live and you can go ahead and complete certain tasks in order to earn some points on Liqfinity. Now before we move on to Liqfinity airdrop farming, if you want to buy coins and tokens and also deal in futures, you can sign up on Mexi Global using my referral link in the description, which will give you 8000 USDT as sign up bonus. And Mexi Global has the lowest buying and the selling fee. So currently there is no buying fee on Mexi Global and the selling fee or the taker fee is only 0.02%. So if you are someone who is dealing in futures, this is one of the best exchanges because of the lowest possible fee. Now in order to farm this airdrop, you will need to create an account on their dashboard. So I will leave all the links in the description so that it would be easy for you guys to navigate. Now currently they don't have a support for wallet and as well as Twitter or any other socials, and I think it would be coming in the future. Now once you create an account on Liqfinity, you will need to go ahead and click on borrow. Now please note that by default you will be getting some testnet tokens, so it would be BTC, ETH and few other coins and tokens. So these testnet tokens can be used in order to borrow USDT. Now please note that at times this website can be a bit slow, so you have to exercise patience. So let's say if you want to put like Bitcoin as collateral, you can simply go ahead and click on borrow. And let's say if you want to borrow 1000 USDT, then 0.009 BTC would be used as a collateral, and then simply go ahead and click on borrow. Now once you go ahead and click on borrow, the next thing that you will need to do is you will need to go ahead and click on provide liquidity. Now providing liquidity is basically you are lending on Liqfinity platform. So you will need to simply go ahead and click on lock over here and put in any amount. Let's say if you want to go ahead and provide 10,000 USDT as liquidity, simply go ahead and click on lock and then it will calculate the best rate. Now since I've already provided the liquidity, which is around 39,200 USDT, what you can do is once you go ahead and provide liquidity, you can also go ahead and click on unlock and maybe you can unlock a small amount of liquidity. Now if I remember correctly, for every 1000 USDT of borrowing and lending, you would be getting 3 points. So your aim is to collect as many points as possible. And the last thing is you can also go ahead and refer your friends or family members in order to earn some additional points. So these are some of the steps as to what you can do right now in order to farm the Liqfinity AI airdrop. And this is all for this video, and in case if you have any doubts or questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I'd be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.